magnetic refrigeration heating, ventilation, and air conditioning market to grow at 28.9%. Magnetic refrigeration heating, ventilation, and air conditioning market is emerging as one of the most disruptive segments in next-generation cooling technologies by offering a sustainable alternative to conventional refrigeration. The primary growth driver for this market is the increasing demand for energy-efficient and environmentally sustainable heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Energy efficiency star ratings mandatory for cooling appliances from January 1, 2026. The government has made energy efficiency star labeling mandatory for a wide range of cooling and electrical appliances with effect from January 1, 2026. The decision follows a Gazette notification issued by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Collaboration to manufacture Internet of Times-enabled weather monitoring systems in India. Aimtron Electronics partners with Orosio collaboration to manufacture new age, Internet of Times-enabled weather monitoring systems in India. EMS engagement supporting real-time environmental intelligence and scalable climate action. Rhino, rock-solid insulation sets new paradigm for sustainability and innovation. Rhino is India's greenest rock mineral wool insulation, manufactured in the country's first and largest electric smelter, eliminating the use of fossil fuels. Designed for superior thermal and acoustic performance, Rhino offers fire resistance, water repellence, and high compressive strength. Suitable for building, industrial, and marine applications, it delivers up to 45 to 50% annual energy savings, redefining sustainable insulation solutions in modern construction. Rising food preservation demand is propelling energy storage markets. Notable technological developments have been made in energy storage technology, which has had an extensive impact on the lives of humankind. With significantly less energy input, cold thermal energy storage systems are capable of providing better cooling as compared to traditional non-storage energy producing methods. In regions where utilities charge higher power consumption rates during the day, i.e., on peak hours, and low rates for off-peak hours during the night, these systems have proven to be economical.